In this video, we listed the 5 best baby food maker that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done. Let's dive into the video. Starting at number 1. Minne QOOC Baby Food Maker. We begin these reviews with the Minne Baby Food Maker. It has pleasant features which make it a perfect choice for many people out there. To begin with, it comes in a durable and baby-safe construction which helps to make sure that it serves you for a long time. You will also like the ease with which this food maker is operated. The manufacturer has also made it in a way that its operation will be quiet. After using the food maker, you will have a good time cleaning and storing the food maker. If you are not looking to prepare large batches of baby food, we strongly advise you to go for this accessory and you will never regret. At number 2. Infanso Baby Food Maker. Are you looking to prepare nutritious and healthy meals for your kid at home? This is the exact baby food maker you need to go for. It has the steaming, manual chopping, automatic stirring, and auto cleaning among so many other functions in a single cup. You can, therefore, be guaranteed that your kid will have the best meals all the time. With its 20 ounces capacity, you will be able to prepare 3 meals at once. The manufacturer also does a unique thing in providing some weaning advice along with some tasty recipes for the kid. The food maker has an overheat protection feature for your kid's safety and yours as well. At number 3. Bable Baby Food Maker. Here is another baby food maker whose everything is safe and healthy. To begin with, it has an LCD control panel which helps in making sure that you have an easy operation time with the food maker. Again, it features an automatic shut-off function which will guarantee that safety is paramount both for you and your kid. With the two-way knob also, it will be easy for you to install and remove the knob as well. The parts for the food processor are dishwasher safe, which helps in ensuring that you have an easy cleaning time for the food processor. Its steaming functionality makes it possible for the food maker to steam 3 items at a go. At number 4. Elechomes Baby Food Maker. This is an easy and effortless baby food maker that has been made by one of the leading brands today. It has been made with safe and non-toxic materials to prioritize the safety of the young one. You will also appreciate the inbuilt protection mechanisms which help in preventing injuries. It also comes with a dual-layer steamer basket which helps in retaining vitamins and nutrients in your food. One more thing you have to appreciate about this accessory is the fact that it has a quick and easy cleanup process. From the detachable blades to the machine washable steamer basket, you will be having a good time. Additionally, it comes with a bonus recipe booklet to allow you to prepare healthy foods for the baby. At number 5. Costzon Baby Food Maker. With an all-in-one design, you will have the convenience of steaming, blending and even reheating the baby food from this single processor. Health and safety are also taken care of in this gadget since it is approved to be BPA and lead-free. Apart from that, it has an overheat protection feature and automatically shuts off in case the reservoir runs out of water. You do not have to worry if you are obsessed with some other housework while operating the machine. The reason we say this is because it has a one-hand operation. You will also appreciate the fact that it has a large capacity and a compact size at the same time. Again, its dishwasher-safe design makes it easy to clean. If you want to buy these products, check the link in the description box.